like the sun.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm back with my friend at his private lake, and we're gonna give it another try. Lately, when we fished here, we haven't caught as many as we normally do. We haven't caught that many pike. It's just been a bad year. So we're gonna go out there, use some topwater baits, maybe some Texas rigs, some moving baits, jigs, whatever, stuff like that. And we're gonna see what we can do. So hopefully we're gonna link up with some fish. All right, before we start, just wanted to show you guys, I have a Whopper Plopper 130 on a 7'1" St. Croix Legend Tournament medium heavy, and a Shimano Sitica in the 7:2-to-1 gear ratio, high-speed reel. I have it on 17-pound test, Trilene Extra Tough monofilament. He has a heavy with 17-pound test and a Whopper Plopper 130, and then he has a medium with 14-pound test, both in monofilament in the 90 size. So let's see what we can do. Oh, he just hit, he smacked it, whoa. First fish of the day on the Whopper Plopper 90, look at that. Here, I'm gonna show the camera. Not a bad way to start the day. Healthy fish. Let me get him back in there. No. Oh, he just tried to choke. Nothing huge, but it had to be like a 2-pound. Dude, he saw it and he just got pissed. Oh, he crushed it right there. Oh, that's a goodie. You can. There's your 2-pound. Oh my God. There we go. He just, I got so excited because he just came up and crushed it. On the Whopper Plopper 130. There's a whirlybird, a helicopter in the sky. We've switched it up to Texas rigs. All right, you guys, I am gonna switch it up to a Senko. Pretty sure this is watermelon golden black flake, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, about to make a cast and the phone rings. That hasn't happened in a while. He's got it. I got it. Double header. Oh, no, he got off. Oh, mine's a goodie. No, mine got off. Mine looks like a no. My fish got off and he caught his. No. It's a small one, but it's a nice fish. No.
Good call.
He's got one. Wow, that was a hook set.
Oh my God. Oh, it's a pike. I can tell. It's a big pike.
It's not a big pike, but it's a good sized one.
Not bad.
All right. Woo. Oh, there's
Nice fish.
You don't want to come up, but that's a good one.
Nice fish.
Never mind, I got it. Not a bad one. He's got it. He's got you buried, whatever that is. Whatever that is, he's got you buried. Oh my God! That's a big pike. That's a big pike.
He's not ready to come in. Yeah, he ain't ready to. He's not ready to come in. No, come on now. Oh yeah. He's barely hooked too. Okay.
And the fish broke off. The fish he just broke off.
Right there's my bait. Okay, by the way, I just wanted to explain to you.
What?
So you understand. They say reach in his gills and grab him. I said their gill plates are like razors.
Yeah.
No, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Reaching their gill plates. I did. I'm bleeding.
Okay. Got a 7'1" heavy power fast action by G Loomis, and a Shimano Curado CI4 Plus, the high speed reel, which is the 7/6-1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to Texas rig a Yum Christie Craw. Okay. On 20-pound test fluorocarbon with a 1/4 ounce Strike King Tour Grade tungsten weight and a Gamakatsu offset shankworm EWG 3/0 hook. And what I'm going to do and what he's going to do, he has the same bait on but the black and blue craw. We're going to cast these Texas rigs out there and we're going to drag the bottom. He's got one hooked up already. Not a bad way to start.
No.
Let's get the release on him. No! You gotta turn the boat, dude. Okay, first fish of the day for me. Little guy. Boat flip.
Not bad.
I got this little guy. And you know what? I'm not even gonna film that. Let's just get this, little buddy back in the water. I'm sure there'll be more today. What the? Yeah, it was a fish that took me into the weeds. And I'm screwed, even with 20-pound fluorocarbon. I waited too long. It's over. Wait, what? Dude, I thought I lost him. What the heck? Well, that was weird. I thought I lost that fish and he was stuck in the weeds. Another little guy. I'm gonna switch it up to a brush hog. Oh, got him. On the brush hog. There we go. Get him back over here. There we go. Yeah, I know. Give me a second. Nothing huge, but good looking fish. Notice how I'm not, oh dude, whoa, I wasn't even paying attention, he just hit it. Whoa, dude, that fish came out of nowhere. You were right in that weed line, he just popped it out. Look at that, I wasn't even paying attention. What the? It's a dink, but dude, he just, that's a dink, but he just about jerked the rod out of my hand. What the heck? No, dude, I casted the brush hog and I was dragging it and I just felt pull and this little fish just, all right. Getting better. I don't like those tree branches. Uh-oh.
Nice. I have no time for that.
That was quick. I don't even know. Basically, I just, I hit that tree branch and out he came. Hey, you guys want to see something? Not saying it's gonna, oh, that's great. Not saying it's gonna happen, but he just cast it in there to the left, and I cast it to the right, and there he is. Oh, he got off. Oh wait, no he didn't. Oh, he had some grass with him. I thought he was bigger. Well, what I was gonna tell you is we had a double header, but that's a little baby bass. Oh, he hooked him. What the heck? I wasn't even looking. Ooh, looks like a better fish. Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Looks like he's a little bite right there in the middle.
My brother said something came up and hit him when he was riding around on it.
Wait, what?
My brother said something hit the bottom of it when he was riding around on it.
Was it big?
I'm guessing. He said it made a really big thud.
Oh, you know what that was.
You know there's pike in here, 50 inches.
Yeah.
Dude, a 50-incher would try to bite that thing. You're tying to a Rebel popper, which is kind of funny because I'm taking out this whopper plopper because I just have a feeling I'm going to catch one. What? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, he just crushed it. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's got to be a big pike. Oh my God, he just crushed it, whatever it is. I didn't get to see him. Oh my God! What is it?
I haven't seen it yet.
What is it?
Big pike. Oh yeah.
God, that's a big pike.
He's coming in the boat. Come back here to me and
That's
take.
a big one.
Yeah, that's a nice pike. He's taking grass. Yeah, that's a nice pike. Look at that pole, folks. Oh yeah.
Oh man, dude.
He don't want to come up yet.
Dude, it's 17-pound mono. How? Oh, he sideswiped it. He sideswiped it. That's why he's. He sideswiped it. That's why he's fighting so hard.
Oh yeah, he's a goodie though.
Oh no, that's got a big head. He's gonna jump. Oh, dude. Dude, he's heavy.
Yeah, bring him my way.
I'm gonna hand you the needle nose.
Nope, stay there. Don't move.
Watch your hand. Oh, did he get off?
Yeah.
Just when I thought pike was gonna be the last fish of the day, he hooked a small largemouth on a Texas rig. Good stuff. Yeah. All right, you guys. That is gonna be it for us for the day. We caught a good amount of fish, nothing real big. That one nice pike that we basically just let go, which wasn't the same as the other one in part 1 of the video that got off, but whatever. We had a fun time. We got sunburned. Now we gotta go in. I have to go edit. He has to go do stuff. So as always, thank you for watching this episode, and I will see all of you guys next time. No, it's just a rental car because my car's in the shop, so that's why I'm driving this.